Included with this OptiMate Solar charger are 2 ways to connect to the battery: clamps for quick connection to any battery, and a fused protected harness with eyelets that can be permanently fitted to one battery. Both connect to the output cable of the OptiMate Smart Charge controller. Once connected, the controller will indicate the status of your battery. To charge your battery, the opposite end of the charge controller, nearest to the solar LED, connects to the solar panel's output cable. When the controller senses the panel is connected and receiving sun, it changes to charge mode. The solar LED blinks, and one other LED will indicate charge progress. The solar panel delivers 17 to 22 volts into the controller, and it smartly converts that to a lower voltage, safe for charging your battery, and that also makes sure the panel works efficiently. The solar panel has an adjustable rear stand to position your panel to receive sunlight. With the panel lying solar side down, loosen the 2 wing nuts, one on each leg, pull the stand up to approximately the angle you need, tighten the wing nuts, and flip the panel onto the stand. Position the panel to face the sun. To readjust the angle, slightly loosen the wing nuts, slide the panel into the preferred position, and retighten the wing nuts. To prevent the panel from being blown over by wind, the rear secure it to the ground with pegs that fit into the front loops below the panel and rear loops on the ends of the stand. Alternatively, position a sandbag on the stand legs and cross member. All this is in the instructions. Try it. Tip: if you must position the panel further away from the battery, you can fit an optional charge extender cable between the panel and the controller. There are 3 different lengths available. OptiMate Solar can be permanently left connected to charge and maintain your battery, and when not used, store it in the durable nylon storage zipper bag.